In this tutorial, we're going to dive into the magical world of JavaScript, specifically focusing on a nifty feature known as string interpolation. Trust me, it's a lot easier than it sounds. String interpolation allows us to embed expressions inside string literals, using curly braces and backticks. This makes our code easier to read and write, especially when dealing with strings that include variables. As you see, we started by defining a variable called name and assigned it the value John. Then we created another variable called greeting. Inside the backticks, we wrote our string, and where we wanted to insert the name, we used $name. This tells JavaScript to replace $name with the value of the name variable. Now let's check the output when we print the greeting variable. As we can see, the output is hello, John, which is exactly what we expected. The value inside got replaced with the value of the variable it represents. Now, let's see a different example. This time, we will perform a math operation within our string interpolation. We'll define two variables, a and b, and then we'll create a string that says the sum of a and b. In this case, we've done more than just inserting a variable's value into our string. We actually performed an operation, the addition of a and b, right inside our string. Now, let's see what the output looks like. As expected, the output is the sum of 5 and 10 is 15. The expressions inside the curly braces got evaluated and their results got inserted into the string. And that concludes our tutorial on string interpolation in JavaScript. I hope you found it helpful and are excited to start using this feature in your own code. Remember, practice is the key to becoming a great programmer. Happy coding, everyone.